All set now. Larga the Pericom Ambassador Eduardo Cojuangco Jr. Memorial Cup now has been started. Now searching for the leader. There goes Lucency. Jumps quick out of the gate. Running in the middle portion of Ace of Diamond on the pattern outside is a Manila Debate. Is squeezing by the rail is Barati, and running in fifth position is a Sherbet Fountain. And moving up is Every 4 Years, and running on the outside is a Daily Burn. Back to the leader. The Pericom now just begun. Why don't give a round of applause from these brave warriors? It's Lucency is taking the lead by a length and a half. And moving up now by the rail is Barati, and running in third position is the Ace of Diamonds. Running on the outside fourth, Manila Debate. Moving up by the rail, Sherbet Fountain. And running in sixth position is a Daily Burn, Birthstone Every 4 Years. It's still entry number 4, Lucency. Barati now keep on fighting it out for the lead. And running in third position is Ace of Diamonds. Daily Burn now getting closer now. Winford fading out. Sherbet Fountain. Barati and running on the outside. Running by the Lucency. Time is running out as the competition and reach the far turn. With Barati now takes the lead. Leads by about a length and a half. Running by the rail is a Lucency. And getting closer now. In third is Ace of Diamonds. But Barati now no danger at all, now trying to beat them. Leads by about 4 lengths. Running on the outside is a Lucency. Ace of Diamond, Birthstone running by the rail every 4 years. It's still Barati. And finally, the Memorial Cup belongs to Barati. Second, Lucency, Birthstone, Ace of Diamonds.